It is finally spring and we get to go camping. We're gonna have our shakedown trip at Boyd Lake State Park. See the lake behind me. Stay tuned for all of our issues.
We're Corey and Amy, two Colorado weekenders escaping the 9-to-5 with our 22-foot R-Pod. After an off-season of fixes, this shakedown trip got wild. Think RV mishaps and lake views. What's your favorite way to kick off the camping season? Cold things. I am very excited. Are you very excited?
I am very excited. Can't wait to go camping.
Fridge. I'm excited about the fridge. And guess what?
What?
We even have ice cream.
We have.
And we can't forget Corey's beers. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. Ready to go?
Ready to go. Getting this out of here without getting grease all over yourself is always a tricky one. We were gonna try to find that lithium grease, I think, instead. The knuckle buster.
Is that the Nintendo blow?
Yes. This is a new addition to our fleet. The red stretchy cord. Heading out for the first time, make sure your tow gear is in order.
So how is it towing?
Oh, it's towing fine.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hopefully the traffic gets better up here in the construction zone. So we'll see.
Always construction in Colorado.
Always construction.
Which is okay. That just means they're improving the bumpy road. Maybe.
Checking brakes.
As long as it's not brake checking.
Nope, just checking brakes, not brake checking.
Whether you're stuck in traffic or driving through construction. Don't get distracted by the beautiful views.
No distractions here. I'm focused on the road with this tiny little construction zone, nowhere to go. You have arrived. I'm pulling in the awning because the wind in Colorado is always here, and it's rare that we get to actually put our awning out. So we were enjoying the shade. It's always, you just never know in Colorado.
My husband is terrified of the awning flipping over.
Might just flip the camper over.
Might flip the camper over. We're so small.
The tree above us is leaving all kinds of presents.
And they're sticky presents.
Why are they so sticky?
I don't know.
I've never seen anything like it.
They're like really bad to put above a camper.
I know. Any?
No.
Oh, good.
Okay. Whew. Who knew?
Who knew? Okay, so we are spraying 303 protectant on all of our plastic pieces on the roof. I'm going to spray it on this wiper, wipe it on, and it helps protect all these plastic surfaces.
I sprayed the door, or you?
Made me spray the door.
I made you spray the door.
The 303 protectant.
That is.
You made me spray on.
That I asked you to spray. So now I gotta fix that.
And get it all over the place. Why'd you do that?
I didn't tell you to do it in the wind.
Sure you did. I was up there. You were like, spray it.
I did.
Don't backtrack now.
I did, but it looks good. I can tell exactly where you've sprayed it.
First night in the camper in spring 2025. Woohoo! Time for coffee.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I was thinking we should probably call Tess, not Steve. He's in charge of the service department, who took the wheel off and forgot to put the lug nut on.
Lug nut. Missing.
In action.
Got here. I was actually sitting on the picnic table and
You should have seen his face.
jumped off the seat when I said, "What is that?" Another tip you should think about doing when you get fired up to go camping this season is torque your lug nuts. Something I didn't do when we left the storage lot. I used to do it every time and it was always just fine. So lesson learned, inspect all the way around your camper before you get going. So hopefully that helps some folks out there so they don't lose a lug nut too. Yeah, I've never used this one. So this is a collapsible tire iron. So it collapses. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. So I've never bought one singular lug nut. I don't think I've ever bought a lug nut. So they said bring one in. So we're gonna take this one in off this side versus taking another one off the one that's missing. Here's our lug nut of interest. And let's go get another one.
Okay. We need another box to store all this crap.
No, I don't. Well, I don't know. Maybe in the underpass somewhere. This would be nice to put somewhere. Okay, so one thing we learned at the Napa store.
We're doing educational.
Oh, I didn't know that this has a cap on it. I didn't know they come with caps. So I just assumed it was a one piece. It said this is one piece. So we're gonna put the new one on the one that was missing. We'll replace the one that we took off. Sound good?
Whatever you want to do.
So, see how this goes. Okay, we set it on 100 because there's a sticker on the other side that says do 100. So.
Where are we again?
Going to Walmart again.
Twice.
That's all right. It's the Shakedown trip.
It's a shakedown trip.
We gotta go to Walmart like 10 times.
Because there's always something we either forget or we go, you know, it'd be really nice to have.
Well, we even made a list the first time.
We made the list.
And we're back.
We're back.
That's all right. We'll get all our stuff. That's why it's a
No,
shakedown
we
trip.
won't.
No, we probably won't.
We won't.
I saw a mesh shower, like a laundry bag back there. That's not a bad idea.
Where are we putting a laundry bag in our tiny
over
trailer?
here, babe. I don't know.
Oh.
Well, we found them. There's mounting squares. Is that what you're looking for?
That's what I'm looking for.
These? Is that enough of them?
Yeah, I think so.
You want two?
No.
No? Okay.
No. How many square feet does that have?
10?
And do I know what square feet are?
No. I have no idea.
So, the question is, I
you
need
probably need one more,
two
just
to fit into the cupboard
Just to make sure.
in the bathroom closet.
They're $5 a piece. I don't want to run back to Walmart again.
That would just take 3 trips.
I don't want to run back to Walmart.
Okay, we'll pick up one more.
Get another one. I would be interested to know from the viewers, in the state that you live in,
Do they charge you for
do
bags?
they charge you for bags? And we just didn't bring bags with
I think
us.
we just need to put some in the camper.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
And we're actually excited that there's paper bags because
I like paper.
most
actually.
Walmarts
See, number of bags.
don't have. Yeah, so now you gotta get charged for one,
That's
and it's 10 cents, I bet.
makes me upset. Yes, 10 cents for the. We made a lot of changes to our camper so far. We swapped out our propane fridge for a 12-volt fridge. We had tons of problems with our propane fridge. We would drive down the road and it would just shut off, and we tried everything.
And don't. Maybe you should comment. Do you drive with the propane on or not?
Oh, that's a hot topic. That's almost like towing. Towing's a hot topic. People get really animated about towing, especially and propane fridges. That's what this is about. But we've made a lot of changes. We've put some lithium batteries in. We swapped out our fridge. We have a new front jack. Debating between adding a generator and to our repertoire or adding more solar to the roof.
part of our shakedown trip is to test out this beauty. This beauty is a 12-volt fridge. We used to have a two-way fridge, so it ran on propane and on shore power. And propane was great when we were sitting, but it would always go out. So again, comment below if you run on the road with propane. For tonight, we have ice cream. So
we've never had ice cream.
We've
before.
never had ice cream.
Not
I'm
camping.
so excited about this. And it's not like melty, which is great. Okay, I don't know about you guys. I love this shoe garage, but it is always a mess. Just kind of shove shoes on in there. So we bought these, part of our organization for this year are those. I store blankets. So the other thing that we've been working on is storage. We live in a tiny trailer on the weekends. So I've been trying to figure out the best way to organize everything. This is where we keep all of our toiletries and the towels and the linens. And I've gone through several variations of this. So part of the shakedown trip was to see if these baskets worked. I like them because they have lids. I have had a few of these. And then I think we're going to try and put the liners on. Little easy liners with some stickies. So maybe when we travel down the road, it's like an earthquake. It won't be an earthquake in my cupboard. Table's cleared off. First time it's been cleared off in months. Normally we just shove everything there. Phew! With all the RV fixes and setup done, it's finally time to chill. So we headed to Boyd Lake's swim beach. I'm craving some serious water time. Water? It's my happy place.
That's no joke. This is a Colorado beach.
There's even some limits that a water-loving person has. It's not bad, temperature-wise. I'm trying really hard not to think about the gross things that are on my feet now.
Tell us about the gross things.
No, because
Yes.
I won't be able to.
Throw up.
Yes, no. No. Okay, now I have to go wash my feet off.
Okay, we'll find some water.
Okay, thank you. Slimy.
Slimy.
It's slimy.
Probably that crap you're talking about. All the
You
fun
gotta
junk.
do that.
Ooh, stick your hands in it. You said to go stick your feet in the water.
Oh, well, yeah, but, oh.
Oh, look, it even sticks around. Hey, Corey, why don't you get in the water?
That's a wrap on our Boyd Lake shakedown trip. From RV fixes to swim beach chills, this adventure had it all. Plus, a few mishaps, of course. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tell us, what's the wildest RV mishap you've had? Check out our Carter Lake trip next for more Colorado RV fun. Until then, chase your escape. So why do they have the trailer riding prohibited?
Somebody must have been doing that. And it must not have been a one-time thing.
No. The water is my happy place, and I'm okay with that. What I'm not okay with is the sliminess. I'll take beach. Okay, beach.
It was a swim beach. I don't know what your problem is.
Ocean, salty water.
You live in the wrong place.
A landlocked state. Landlocked state, and I am an ocean person.